And for example number 2, insert 3 arithmetic means between negative 4 and 8. So dito naman, yung first term naman natin is negative 4. And then, insert tayo ng tatlong arithmetic means. Last term natin is, and yung last term natin is 8. Okay? So, so negative 4 yung ating a sub 1. Then yung hinahanap natin is a sub 2, a sub 3, and a sub 4. So, yung 8 is yung a sub 5. Okay? So, again, kailangan natin mahanap yung common difference para ma-solve natin yung mga terms. So, gamitin natin yung formula. So, yung a sub n, palitan natin ng a sub 5. So, a sub 5 is equal to a sub 1, which is negative 4, plus n. So, n natin is 5. 5 minus 1 times d. So, ito yung hinahanap natin, si common difference. So, yung a sub 5, palitan natin ng 8. Okay? Then, lipat natin itong negative 4 dito sa kabila, magiging positive siya. And then, 5 minus 1, that is 4. Times d, 4d. Okay? Then, simplify. 8 plus 4, that is 12. And then, divide tayo ng 4 para d na lang yung matira. So, d is equal to 12 divided by 4, that's 3. So, therefore, yung common difference natin is 3. So, now, masosolve na natin yung mga terms. So, a sub 2 is equal to a sub 1 plus the common difference. Okay? So a sub 1 natin is negative 4. Then yung common difference natin is 3. So, negative 4 plus 3, that is negative 1. So, a sub 2 is 1. Then, sa a sub 3 naman, equal naman siya sa a sub 2 plus the common difference. So, tandaan nyo lang, yung term is equal to yung preceding term niya plus the common difference. Okay? So, yung preceding term ng a sub 2 is a sub 1. Yung preceding term ng a sub 3, a sub 2. Okay? So, a sub 2 is negative 1. Then, yung common difference is 3. So, therefore, a sub 3 is equal to negative 1 plus 2. Negative 1 plus 3, that is positive 2. Okay? And then, lastly, si a sub 4 is equal to a sub 3, ang kanyang preceding term, plus the common difference. So, a sub 3 natin is 2, plus the common difference, 3. So, therefore, a sub 4 is equal to 5. So, therefore, yung mga arithmetic means natin is negative 1, positive 2, and 5. Okay? Okay? So, inaad lang natin yung common difference para makuha natin yung mga next term. Okay? Negative 4 plus 3, that's negative 1. Negative 1 plus 3, that is 2. 2 plus 3, that is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay?